how to fix a relationship with somebody. If you have damaged a relationship with somebody, or for some reason the relationship is damaged, this is how you can fix it. Hi beautiful souls, this is me Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. If you're a subscriber watching this video, thank you so much for clicking. And if you are somebody new watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. So, how you can fix your relationship with somebody? Let's understand this in 5 steps. Number 1. Identify the relationship and what you want from the relationship and what they want from the relationship. Relationship is between two people. Identify it. What kind of relationship it is. Romantic relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, cousin, brother, colleague. First you identified what relationship is this. Second is what you want from that relationship. What are your expectations from the relationship? And what are their expectations from the relationship? So you have the relationship, you have your expectation, their expectation written down in a piece of paper. Next, step number 2. Write down what is the problem. What is the problem that has created the damage in the relationship? Compromise, adjustments, mentality not matching. Just write down the problem. Whatever the problem is. So you have your relationship written in the top. Then 2 things, your demands, their demands, or your want, their wants. In the middle, just below it, write the problem. Whatever the problem is. Let's move on to the next step. Step number 3. Soul forgiveness. Now this is a new concept to you. Soul forgiveness is a method where you sit down quietly, calm in a meditative state, or normally just sitting down calmly. Seek forgiveness from the soul you are having the most distressed relationship with, or you want to fix relationship with that particular soul. For example, your best friend. You are separated for some reason with your best friend, or you fought, there are difference in opinion. Sit down and do soul forgiveness prayer. How? Just close your eyes and picturize that person in your mind. Your soul will automatically get connected with that soul. That's true. It's not always about you're trying to connect with spirits of who do not have body. You can also connect with spirits of people who already have body. You, me. We can connect with anybody at any point of time. Sit down quietly and call that soul, your best friend, in your mind. Whatever XYZ name. For example, her name is Ria. Dear Ria, whatever the problem we have between us, I want to seek forgiveness from you, from your soul. We have difference in opinion, but we are good friends and I want you back in my life. Please come back. Or whatever the problem is, this is what is my end story and this is what you are doing. Tell them that this is what I want from you, or this is what the problem is. Tell them, soul to soul speaking. Seek forgiveness also, because if there's a problem, 2 people have contributed equally. That's right. It's not always her or his fault. You also have fault. So seek forgiveness from that soul. And when you do it, you will see a difference. Trust me. Step number 4. Karma healing. When we have distress in relationship with somebody, any relationship, it is because of the karma that we are facing. If you have the most beautiful relationship with somebody all the time, good or bad, there's no karma in it. But if you have a distressed relationship, even with your parents, mom, dad, cousin, brother, sister, siblings, you have karmas with them. You need to do karma healing. And karma healing is nothing. Again, you have to agree that whatever you are facing is because of something you have done before. And seek forgiveness to the Lord Almighty for it. Simple, not that difficult. You can actually fix problem like magic. I have done it with so many people. So many people are doing it. एक बार believe करके देख लो, कर लो ये simple सा steps. इतनी भाग दौड़ करने की तो जरूरत है नहीं, इतना चिंता करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You can actually do all these things so easily. People complicate things more. And fifth step is not actually a step. If you are still not able to sort out this problem or sort out how to do it, where to go, what I should do about this relationship, how I can fix it, you have therapists, healers, psychologists. You can go to them. You can talk to me also if you want. All you need to do is book a session with me. I am a holistic life coach, so I can guide you if you need help how to fix a relationship with somebody. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, DM me that, ma'am, I want to book a session with you. I'll give you the details. And that's how you take the steps. Step number 5, to fix a relationship with somebody. So these are the 5 simple steps that you can follow to fix a relationship with somebody. And I hope this video will help you. And if it is helping you in any sense or helped you to see things in much more broader perspective, then subscribe this channel, give a like to this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye-bye.